HP all-in-one 24 inches. This frame you need to remove. So these are the screws you need to open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 screws. Use the metal splinter, this metal one, to lift the screen. Slowly lift from here. Slowly you need to do. So total this 4 side you need to lift the screen. Slowly. That's it. So this is the screen. So this is the panel, and here you can see the body. This is a motherboard, one M.2 NVMe 2280 size, and 2 memory slot. It's a DDR3 3200 speed. This processor is on board. So this is a motherboard, very small motherboard, and a fan. Here you can see the webcam. This is the connection for the webcam. And these are the speakers. Here you can see power button. There is a bridge to connect. So this is the build quality of HP AIO 24 inches. And let's see the screen path number at the back side. So this screen path number you can see. This is the path number from LG. The display path number here is LG. So this is a 23.8 inches non-touch screen, non-touch. 23.8 inches non-touch.